This tiny pellet can power an entire home for months, smaller than your fingertip, yet more powerful than tons of coal. But how is this even possible? How does something so small hold so much energy? From deep underground to the heart of nuclear power. The story begins over 2 centuries ago. In 1789, a German chemist discovered a strange new element. He named it uranium. At the time, no one knew its true power. Years later, scientists noticed something unusual. Uranium could emit invisible energy on its own. This was the beginning of radioactivity. Not all uranium is the same. Most of it is stable and inactive, but a tiny fraction holds incredible energy. This rare form is called uranium-235. When hit by a neutron, it splits apart, releasing heat and more neutrons. This creates a chain reaction. Uranium starts its journey deep underground, buried inside rocks for millions of years. Miners extract it from high-grade deposits. But mining uranium is extremely dangerous. Radiation and water flooding are constant threats. To solve this, engineers freeze the ground, creating a solid barrier of ice around the mine. Once extracted, the ore is transported to a processing plant. It is crushed into fine particles, then mixed with chemicals to separate uranium. The result is a concentrated substance called yellow cake. This is not yet fuel. It must go through a complex enrichment process. Natural uranium contains very little, U-235. So scientists must increase its concentration. This process is called enrichment. Gas centrifuges spin at incredible speeds, separating heavier and lighter atoms, slowly increasing the amount of U-235. The enriched uranium is turned into powder, then compressed into tiny pellets. Each pellet holds massive energy. They are placed inside metal tubes, forming fuel rods used in reactors. Inside a nuclear reactor, fission begins. Heat is generated from the chain reaction. This heat turns water into steam. The steam spins massive turbines, generating electricity for millions. After use, the fuel becomes highly radioactive. It must be stored safely for years. Cooling pools keep it stable. Even after years, it remains dangerous. From a hidden rock to a powerful energy source, uranium has transformed the modern world. A tiny pellet empowering entire cities. But with great power comes great responsibility. And the future of energy depends on how we use it.